Do you want to get in on one of the hottest markets that there is right now? One that there is mass appeal for, and where literally everything is done for you. If so, I think you're going to love what I have to tell you about in my review of biblical stories for young hearts. Okay, looking right now at the sales page for Biblical Stories for Young Hearts. This is from my friend Craig. Now, what I found really, really cool about this, I don't like to do a lot of these story packages because usually they're pretty skimpy. They don't include a whole lot of content. And so it's kind of like, okay, nice idea, but not well executed. In this case, they really, really went all out, giving you literally everything you need: artwork, the content, the marketing materials, literally everything is there for you. It's very, very well put together. Really one of the best packages I've seen in a very, very long time. Now I'm going to show you the members area in just a second, but before I do, of course, this would not be a Man in the Hat review without me offering you a truly, truly insane bonus.
Concierge of crime? Man in the Hat?
Yes, thank you. I know you're the Man in the Hat also. I've actually started watching The Blacklist again, by the way. Great show. But right now we're talking about me, and we're talking about something wholesome, not about you protecting, Lizzie or whatever her name is on The Blacklist. Anyway, okay, but seriously. So let's go ahead and check out some of the bonuses that I have, because this is really, really an amazing package. So first and foremost, I've got an AI system that I found for you that will actually go ahead and create children's books. And this is really useful when you're doing these children's books. If you want to do more children's books, it'll actually create the books for you, complete with illustrations and everything. You can even create an audiobook version of the children's books that you can use and to sell even more stuff to your clients. And of course, this package specifically about stuff for Bible stories, but you can actually expand to other areas as well. Once you start selling Bible stories, it can really expand to a lot of things. And again, Bible stories is a huge, huge business. There's actually been a renaissance of religious interest in the United States. A lot of big churches are seeing more and more people wanting to get involved, and people who are religious tend to buy a lot of stuff for their kids because they want something wholesome, something that is good for their kids. And so they're going to buy a lot more than your average person is going to buy. So really is a very, very good thing to get. But of course, if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, then you need to have more than just that.
Billionaire entrepreneur.
Yes, thank you. That's very kind of you, Barry. Not quite a billionaire entrepreneur, but I'm getting there. And by the way,
Where is Liz Lemon?
good God, where is Liz Lemon? Okay, but seriously. So another thing that I found really, really cool, which again kind of fits with this theme of, something that's wholesome. This is a new chatbot system that is completely uncensored, that is not going to be like the super PC woke thing. We all know that Google Gemini, for example, had this whole thing going on where it literally would not show you a white person. Like it showed Black Nazis. It was the most bizarre thing imaginable. And I tested it, by the way, at the time. It was just so funny. But this is actually a completely uncensored chatbot that you can actually use similarly to ChatGPT, but again, it's uncensored. Now, of course, we're still not doing it. I still have plenty more material to give you. So speaking of OpenAI and ChatGPT, how about if I also show you how to add hundreds of additional plugins to ChatGPT in order to be able to expand the features of ChatGPT. This is a really, really cool thing. It came out a few months ago and it's really exploded. There are actually thousands upon thousands now at this point of plugins. And it's really, really an amazing, amazing system. And really is an amazing system. Okay, so now, of course, you know that when I do a bonus package, I never go half-baked. I never I'm going to do something that you are going to think is crap.
Crap, I like crap. I love crap. I need crap.
Well, good for you. I'm glad you like crap, but these people don't. I don't. And frankly, I don't think you do either. I think you're lying about it, and I really despise people who lie about it. So don't tell me you like crap. Nobody does. Okay, but seriously, I'm also going to show you a system to send out emails directly from Gmail. Really, really cool system because this lets you send out mass emails, and it actually allows you to also integrate ChatGPT into Gmail, so you can actually use it to create your emails. This will get you better open rates than you may get with your typical autoresponder. Still not done yet, of course. How about if I also show you how to use ChatGPT to get the world's best copywriters writing for you? This is a custom prompt that I created. Nobody else has it. You're going to be able to use this to create content in whatever style you want from any of the world's best copywriters, whoever it is. Still not done yet. Of course, we also have another thing that I found you. I found a few different websites that are going to give you over 33,000 words of content written for you, completely free, forever, every single month. These are long form articles, so you can actually go ahead and start getting this content put together for you, put it up, get it out there. Really, really valuable stuff. I'm still not done yet. I also found a way to automate traffic from Quora and use AI to write answers for you automatically. Really, really incredible, but I'm still not done yet. For my final trick, how about if I also show you how to find out what people are actually searching for on Google and do it totally, completely for free. Really, really an incredible package. Again, the entire thing is $14.95. Let's check out the members area real quick over here. And what I loved about this is that it really is a very, very full package. So we're going to go over here. This is the main package. Of course, I do have access to all the upgrades. There's an expansion pack. There's also a coloring package. And there's templates if you want to create templates. But the basic package really is very, very impressive. Check out everything you're getting here. So first of all, they have provided between Old Testament, New Testament. But what really impressed me, what really made me say, hey, you know what, I got to tell you about this thing. Look how much they have here. It's not just the books. They have quizzes. They have coloring packs. They have images, landscapes, word searches. Okay, everything they could possibly need in order to really make this thing work well for you is here. Really, really a very, very complete package that you can go ahead and use in order to be able to make serious money from this system. Craig is known for really putting in a lot of effort. Another thing I like, by the way, about this is I haven't seen anybody else doing this on Warrior Plus, but this was really, really amazing. Check this out. 5% of all the money from this package is actually going to help children in need, which I think is just really, really classy. Here we go. So it's going to World Vision, which is helping end violence against children. I think that's a very, very classy thing to do as well. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator.
That he really hit that out of the park.
Or not. Yeah, seriously, okay. You really hit the ball out of the park with this one. This one is very, very impressive with the amount of material that's included. I really, really liked it a lot. Grab this. You're going to love it.